Gilbert Ratchet.
Hooray! The circus has come to town. Hey, I love the circus readers, especially the clowns. They're hilarious.
Bah, the elephant keeps doing big shits just willy-nilly all over the fucking place. I'm fucking sick of clearing them up.
Don't worry, mister. I'll construct a device which will toilet train your elephant. There. My pachyderm Giltomatic will rub the elephant's trunk in its poo whilst simultaneously whacking it on the head with a rolled up newspaper. Whoops! The nose rubbing mechanism was a bit too powerful.
You nit! You've pulled me elephant's trunk off! Now it won't be able to amusingly squirt water at the clowns while they rush around in exaggerated bumbling confusion.
Hello? What's up with Mrs. Chipperboard, the circus owner?
Lord Mayor is coming and I wanted to impress him with a display of lion taming. However, I've sprained my wrist punching the fuck out of this baby chimp. I can't tame lions with a sprained wrist.
So?
Nice work, Gilbert. Your lion tamer-o-matic is just the job.
That lion looks completely tame now. I think I'll go in and stroke it.
Oops, I've accidentally switched the tamer-o-matic into reverse.
Oh.
And the mayor is standing right in its path.
Well,
Crimey, the reverse action of my tamer-o-matic is untaming the Lord Mayor. It's turning all wild and feral. Jeepers. His worshipper's gone completely savage and is now literally biting the lion in half. Oh my! Now he's had to be put down by a keeper.
Well done, Gilbert. That was the most thrilling piece of entertainment I've seen for ages. Please accept this unlimited free pass to my circus.
Fantastic! Now I can come to the circus every day of the week. Merry circus, readers.